Hi everyone, this video is for section 7-5, which deals with percent applications solved with equations. We're going to go ahead and take a look at an example of a percent increase problem. So again, what I would encourage you to do if you have not already is please consult your textbook to make sure that you have a good background behind what I mean by percent increase. So the problem says, say you start a new job with a salary of $52,000. You do such a good job that the following year your salary is increased to $55,000. What is the percent of increase? So the good news is that if you're comfortable using the equation method that I've outlined in the last couple videos, we can use that again. And just as a reminder, that is going to be your whole value or your starting value times your percent, again remembering to convert that into its decimal form, and that's going to result or be equal to the part that you are interested in. So in this case, here's how we can use this. So it looks like in this situation, I'm starting out with $52,000. So I'm going to go ahead and drop that in there. Note here that with regards to the percent, we're being asked what is the percent of increase. So I don't know the answer to this. So I'm going to go ahead and just put a variable in its place until I can actually figure that out. The part is basically going to be, well, what's changed, essentially, is going to be the question that you should ask yourself here. Or in other words, by how much did your salary change? So if you think about it, the following year you landed at a salary of $55,000. You started with a salary of $52,000. So the difference is going to be you experienced a change of $3,000. From here, we've filled in everything that we need. We can go ahead and attack this problem. We want to get x alone, so we want to undo that multiplication. So to undo multiplication, we're going to divide both sides by 52,000. Again, it is a quick trick, everyone, what you can do, and it might help you in terms of just getting the idea of how the decimal system works. But notice that 3,000 and 52,000, they both end in a lot of zeros. I can do some quick reduction here. So as long as both numbers end in zeros, I can quickly reduce them out until I don't have matching zeros on top and bottom anymore. So now I have 3 divided by 52. And again, if you enter that into your calculator, you would get something along the lines of 0.05769230077. And again, this is the percent in its decimal form. So we need to convert this back into a percentage. So again, we're going to send this decimal point back 2 spaces. And this gives me a result of 5.769230077%. But we usually don't leave our numbers this long and drawn out. So let's say that we round it to the 10th place of this percent. So let's take a look at the number next to it. And since it is a 6, that tells us to, this is very Blue's Clues right now, but we're gonna, hopefully you're saying round up. So our final answer is going to be that you experienced an increase of about, and I should squiggle my equal signs here into an approximation sign. We increased by about 5.8%. I hope this explanation was helpful. Stay tuned or move over to the next video for a percent decrease problem.